Hi, this is Kevin Miller, founder of Free Agent Academy, and I am introducing a 90-day MFA. That is a Master of Free Agency. Obviously playing on an MBA, which is not proving to provide a whole lot of value in the real world these days, specifically for people who want to be self-employed, who want to be free agents, who want to generate their own income to a full-time degree or a part-time degree. That's what we're about here at Free Agent Academy. That's what I speak about in the blogs and the podcasts of Free Agent Underground. I'm sitting here on my land in Colorado where I enjoy my free agency. But just in the past couple days, I have finalized a program where I'm going to walk personally with a couple people per month through our Free Agent Academy core curriculum, including a couple new classes that we have just put together and are just about to launch to our members. But this is a chance for me to walk one-on-one, not in the group setting, and I actually have not done that in over a year now, walked just one-on-one with anyone. And taking our curriculum and going through it one-on-one really helps me extrapolate it and give it to the groups at large in a better way when I have intimately gone through it with one-on-one folks. So it really helps me serve the membership better, one. Two, I want to do this and report to the public in our Free Agent Underground show what I am doing with some select individuals. Honestly, that's a great promotion for me because it's putting my money where my mouth is and really letting people see the process. And that's going to encounter the successes and the struggles that people go through. And I want folks to see that. So this is, reality TV, for lack of a better term, God forbid. But this is something that I'm going to take two folks a month through the year of 2011. Though right now, to kick it off, I'm looking for 4 folks to do that with. And if you will read the copy below on this page and see some of the details of the courses that we're going to go through, of how I will participate with you personally one-on-one through consultations according to each course work, you'll get an understanding of what we're looking at here. You'll see the investment. It's not astronomical, but it's not a small amount either, and that's going to, tell you whether this is feasible for you or not. I don't want it to be something that's going to really strap you. You need to be able to afford to do this, but it is accelerated, which is good for you. It's very intense that it's going to be compiling this course into a small amount of time. Now, if in fact it should take a little bit longer, is that okay? Of course it is, but I'm here to keep you accountable, doing the process through a public format somewhat as I report about what we're doing through our show is a good accountability, and it will be quite the kickstart for your 2011. So read down through the details if you will. If you have questions, let me know, but there is a form at the bottom where you can submit. Tell me where you're at. I've got some questions there for you, and we can look and see if this is something that's viable for you right now. Be excited to talk with you either way, so I look forward to hearing from you on this, and if possible, working together with you one-on-one to make free agency in the full sense happen for you.